touching pretty well there.
Get your hands up, lads! Naka, get your hands up! Lads, get your hands up.
Get that left up, Eric.
Hands up! Hands up, Naka!
Come on, lads, let him go.
Would Maka have the intention of hurting people? Well, then lads have dropped some words like this Saturday.
Keep working, lads.
That's it, lads, keep working.
Say again. Touches misses. Isn't Saturday just off?
Threes and fours, lads, threes and fours.
Four.
Let's get that left up,
Get that
Eric.
left up, Eric.
Straight, Eric.
Follow him up, lads, follow him up. Get that left up, Eric. Fire it off, Eric.
Hands up!
Go on, let him
Good
go,
down,
Eric.
Eric. Let's let him go.